Welcome to War India News Hour. Global 5G market set to 3.2 billion connections by 2026. The transformation to the 5G ecosystem is expected to witness 3 to 4 times faster growth rate than other connectivity transformations. The global 5G services market size will grow from $53 billion in 2020 to $249.2 billion by 2026 at a compound annual growth rate of 29.4% during the forecast period. This is primarily due to the rapid innovation in virtualization in the networking domain, coupled with the growing numbers of applications which require a latent-free connection. The above factors have resulted in expected rapid adoption of 5G services, followed by a quick rollout of 5G services by other developing economies. Countries expected to launch 5G services at the earliest include the US, China, South Korea, Japan, the UK, and Germany. Countries with a strong 4G infrastructure are expected to be the early deployers, with agile connectivity platforms in IoT are also expected to quickly transform their services into 5G, probably by 2020 Q1. A study suggests that as network orchestration tools maximize monetization, next-generation infrastructures will grow at a staggering rate of 940% over the next 5 years. The 5G networks leverage next-generation technologies such as network orchestration tools to enable operators to monetize data-intensive use cases like remote healthcare and mobile gaming. The study 5G monetization, business models, strategies, recommendations and market forecast 2021 to 2026 found that over 60% of global 5G connections will be located in the Asia-Pacific region by 2026. Network orchestration technologies alongside mmWave frequencies that enable data-intensive 5G services will be a key driver in creating an ecosystem in this region that allows mobile subscribers to leverage 5G networks for emerging mobile services while maintaining network performances. Operators in China, Japan, and South Korea have all implemented lower subscription costs, which have accelerated 5G adoption, thus enabling these subscribers to explore novel services that require 5G connectivity. These tools allow operators to adapt new conditions based on artificial intelligence analysis of traffic, providing more bandwidth to connections that need it and maintain service performance. Let's look into today's headlines in War India. ServiceNow acquires Mapwise to expand into indoor mapping. ServiceNow is the leading digital workflow company that makes work better for people and announced it has signed an agreement to acquire Mapwise, an indoor mapping and wayfinding company based in Lille, France. With Mapwise, ServiceNow will provide indoor mapping capabilities for employees as they reserve seats, conference rooms, workspaces, and workplace resources, as well as navigate offices from their desktop or mobile devices. The acquisition empowers employees to confidently navigate the workplace with native mobile mapping and wayfinding capabilities for the new world of hybrid work. MeitY empanels Oracle as the cloud infrastructure solutions provider. Oracle announced that it has been named by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, that is MeitY, and has empaneled it as the cloud infrastructure solution provider. As a result, governments and other public sector entities in India will now be able to take the advantage of Oracle's second-generation cloud technologies and move their workloads, including Oracle workloads, to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, helping accelerate the country's ambition of becoming a 100% digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. Norton buys Avast for over $8 billion. US cybersecurity giant NortonLifeLock and Avast have signed the deal worth more than $8 billion to address the growing concerns on ransomware. All credit to the continued pandemic, which has fueled the online activities. It is a huge step forward for consumer cybersecurity and will ultimately enable us to achieve our vision to protect and empower people to live their digital lives safely, Norton Chief Executive Vincent Pilette said in a joint statement. The combined company, to be listed on the Nasdaq, will be dual headquartered in Prague and Tempe, Arizona. Fight over providing satellite broadband in India. Satellite broadband promises to be the next big thing in providing the broadband services in India in the next 6 months or so. It is expected to be much faster than the present connectivity we get. It requires no wires and towers to connect the websites. The next telecom fight is to be witnessed over is with providing satellite broadband connections. Some of the biggest satellite broadband providers include OneWeb, SpaceX, Nelco and Hughes are betting big on the opportunities to deliver satellite-based fast internet services anywhere, anytime. India Inc. needs to increase risk-taking appetite, says Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the country's economic growth is picking up pace again and the domestic industry needs to enhance its risk-taking appetite. Noting the recent reforms taken by the government, the Prime Minister said that bringing reforms is a matter of conviction for his government, which is ready to take all risks in the national interest. The government is doing reforms not out of compulsion but out of conviction, he said while addressing the CII's annual meeting. Assuring all support to the industry, Prime Minister Modi said that India is receiving record foreign direct investment, that is FDI, because of reforms done in the last few years. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.